Hey everybody! Justin Senior here. I've got a video that a lot of you have been waiting a long time for. I'm going to be talking about how to use Instagram influencers for your Shopify store and how to crush it with influencers. And if you haven't used Instagram influencers, don't worry, I'm going to define exactly what that marketing strategy is. And I'm going to go over the exact step-by-step process of how you can do this, how to find Instagram influencers, how to leverage them, and how to make a lot of money with them. So let's jump right into it. You're going to love this strategy. So let's first define what Instagram influencer marketing is. And you've probably seen this in action, even if you don't exactly know what it is. And basically what it is leveraging the reach of someone else's social media following to promote your product. And you can replace product with service or whatever you want to promote, right? They're going to promote something for you on their social media channel. And the goal here is not just to find someone that has millions of followers, it's to find influencers who can reach your perfect potential customers. Okay? Getting the right target, right? Reaching customers who are important to you. That is the goal of Instagram influencer marketing. It's not just to contract a deal with someone who has 500,000 followers because they have 500,000 followers. Micro influencers, people with just tens of thousands of followers, can still be very, very valuable to you and super cheap because they can reach your perfect potential customer. Right? So you need to understand who you're selling to, and then you need to understand who these influencers can reach, and that's where you make the match. Right? You want to find the influencers who can reach your perfect potential customers. Right? We don't want to get 10,000 clicks. We want to get 10,000 clicks of perfect potential customers. That's why Instagram influencer marketing can work so well. You're basically going to contract with the influencer to promote your products via their social feeds. And the reason it's going to work is that their followers are going to be interested in what you're promoting. Right? And that only happens when you can find influencers that reach your perfect potential customer. So make sure that that is stuck in the forefront of your mind when you're doing this Instagram influencer marketing. The mindset must be, it's not about size, it's about quality, right? Quality over quantity. You want to make sure that the influencers that you work with can reach your potential customers, right? And this is typically a paid promotion. Right now, most of the time you're going to just give a payment to the influencer. It's going to be a flat rate cost. Sometimes they'll also want an affiliate share. Sometimes they'll ask for free product so they can make some custom video or photo. Basically, you want to make it as easy as possible for the influencer to work with you because you're leveraging their reach, right? You want to make sure that whatever they post, however they want to post, they want to show the product, wear the product, whatever it is, you want to make it as easy as possible for them to do exactly that. You want to make it as easy as possible for them to promote your product without kind of straying too far from their typical aesthetic and their typical Instagram posts, right? And again, this only works when you find influencers who reach your potential customer. If you're selling a cat product and you contract someone who has a lot of reach to vegans, that doesn't make sense. Right now, if you're selling vegan t-shirts, that would make sense. Only because the influencer reaches the people who are, quote unquote, your perfect potential customer, okay? Make sure that is stuck in the forefront of your mind for this strategy for any time you're using influencer marketing, okay? Very important. Okay, so what are some of the benefits of Instagram influencer marketing? And I'll go over some specific examples as well. But some of the benefits of Instagram influencer marketing, right? Laser targeted traffic, okay? If you have an Instagram influencer working for you and they reach your perfect potential customer, then you're going to be getting traffic that is laser targeted. By that, I mean you're going to be getting people to your site that are really going to be the most likely to buy your product. What does that mean? Well, it's the most valuable traffic. It's going to convert at the highest quality. It's going to have the highest conversion rate. You're going to make the most money, highest AOV, average order value, biggest customer lifetime value, all that great stuff, right? That of course is the number one goal. We want to get laser targeted traffic from the Instagram influencer directly to our store. Okay, that's the obvious, right? That's number one. Okay, but how about some other things here that are also kind of side effect benefits, right? And these are super valuable. These aren't just small things. These are incredibly powerful and incredibly valuable benefits. For example, the brand influencer affiliation, right? Let's say you contract with someone who's pretty popular in your niche and they promote your product. Well, this is no different than go back to, traditional marketing. This is a sponsorship, right? let's say you see those Gillette ads on TV and they've got, Roger Federer and different athletes promoting it. Right? I don't know why that's the example I gave, but really any sponsorship promotion where they have a celebrity endorsing a product, this is that exact strategy, but for social media. And what does that do? Of course, it gives you laser targeted traffic, but it also gives you that brand to influencer affiliation, right? This brand is now sponsored by this influencer, right? That adds cachet to your brand. That adds trust to your brand. That builds your brand up. It shows that you're not just a fly-by-night company because you have people endorsing you. And of course, you're paying for that endorsement, but who cares? That brand to influencer affiliation is worth a lot. And worth just as much are the long-term marketing assets that you get out of doing Instagram influencer marketing, right? Let's say you have an Instagram influencer, they post on their Instagram, and you get some nice clicks, you make some sales, and Instagram is a time-based social network. A couple of days later, really, you don't get too much reach from that post anymore. But a smart marketer, right? They're going to find long-term marketing assets from that post. You're going to screenshot it. You're going to save the image, download the image, save all the comments, reply to the comments with your own profile. Try to build up engagement as best you can. And now you have this image, right? You have an image of the post. And that goes back to that second item here on the list, brand to influencer affiliation, right? We save that, we screenshot everything, we save the image. Now we have marketing assets showing this brand being promoted by this influencer. Okay, very powerful. Again, it's that sponsorship idea, but it's not just a one-time use. We're gonna make use of it over and over and over in our marketing, in our email marketing, in our site, on our blog, everywhere. Another cool thing about Instagram influencer marketing is it's very cheap to start. You have full control over your budgets. You have full control over what you're going to spend. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that over the shoulder. And scaling is super easy because if it works, you're just going to do more of it. If it doesn't work, you're going to find a different type of influencer. Super simple. Very easy to scale. So let's talk about the step-by-step of an example influencer campaign. And I'll show you how to simplify this as well. But this is kind of the most basic example I can give. And you can think of an example store where you're selling cat products to cat lovers. Okay, so your perfect customer is going to be someone who loves cats. And as we talked about, right, what you need to do is find influencers who reach your perfect potential customer. And if your potential perfect customer is someone who loves cats, then step one is you need to find influencers that can reach your perfect customer, right? You need to find influencers that can reach people who love cats. Why? Because that's your perfect customer, right? You're not doing Instagram influencers just to get 500 likes on a post. No, you want clicks. You want customers. So in this example, you'd find a large cat page on Instagram. You go ahead and reach out to the influencer. You see if they do promoted posts. Okay, you could DM them, you could email them, or I'll show you a couple other ways as well. You want to negotiate a price. You want to negotiate the offer, right? What are they getting? What are you getting? Okay, you want to agree on the content to be posted. Are they going to post a video? Are they going to receive the product in the mail and then do an unboxing video? Or is it just going to be a stock photo that you send them? Is it going to be a contest photo? Is it going to be something where they ask for comments, right? Tons of different content that can be posted. Then you want to set up a time for the promotion. You say, okay, we'll do a 2-hour post on Tuesday between 8 and 10 p.m. And we'll go live then. Okay, and then of course you need to track the effectiveness and scale if it's working. Okay, and very easy to track when you're doing Instagram influencer marketing. You could either use exclusive discount codes inside of Shopify, or you could give an Instagram influencer a specific bit.ly or shortened link and give a different one to each influencer. So if you have 10 influencers, you could have 10 different exclusive discount codes. And obviously, each time that code is used, that would be attributed to that influencer. And that's how you could track the effectiveness. Same thing with bit.ly. You could track how many clicks go on that link, and you'd give a specific link to each influencer. So $1 million question here, right? How do you find great influencers? And it's actually super easy. I'm going to go over the shoulder right now and show you Caro. Definitely the best way to find those powerful influencers that can reach your perfect customer. So you see the link over there, http://getcaro.com, Carro. Let's go over the shoulder. I'm going to show you just how powerful this tool is. So this is Caro, or getcaro.com. And literally it says over here, finding influencers that love your brand has never been this easy. And you see right over here, the Shopify icon. And I'm going to show you the Shopify app in a second. But really what this is all about, and again, over 2.5 million influencers on this platform. All right, 2.5 million. you're going to be able to find pretty much automatically through the tool the influencers that are the closest match to you, the ones that are connected to you, the ones that are connected to your followers, and the ones that are, most importantly, going to contain the reach to your target demographic. That's what is so powerful about the kind of breadth of this tool, about how wide it could search, how much data it could pull in. It could pull in tons of different data sources and really give you the best personalized recommendations, from over 2.5 million influencers. So some of the core features that they talk about, just making it a lot easier. You're not going to have to be just individually messaging and communicating with the influencers. This all kind of happens automatically. And really, it's all about kind of finding those influencers that are ready to work with your brands, the ones that are already connected in some way to your brand or to your target demographic. And it's a pretty quick 4-step process. You just connect your data sources, for example, your Facebook page, your email list, your Instagram following, your Shopify store, right? Obviously, that's the big one, and there's the Caro Shopify app as well. But really looking at this, it pulls in all your data, and then it identifies the influencers that are connected to you, that are connected to your followers, that are really, like I said, the ones that have access to your target demographic. And you could invite them all, right? You don't need to go one by one and find their contact information and all that stuff. You do it all through the quick invite feature inside of your dashboard. It's right over here under invites. Do a quick invite. You can fully customize everything and talk about the offer. You could send it all at once. And then, best of all, really everything is kind of integrated with Shopify, even from the products that you'll send. And this is so important for dropshippers or print on demand. The products that you'll be sending to your influencers, right? For example, let's say you're a print on demand shop and you reach out to all these influencers and a bunch of them want to work with you. They want to wear your shirt in a video or in a post. If you're a print on demand brand, and this is normally a good thing, you don't have any inventory. So, literally these orders can be fulfilled directly to the influencer right through Shopify, right through all your print on demand or drop shipping apps to maintain all of that automation that we need. And this is kind of the process. I like how they just kind of spell it out like this. You basically have a huge list of influencers. You reach out to them with the quick invite. Influencers are going to request the product. You'll see all the people who request them, basically all the people that want to work with you. You could approve them. You could give them product. You can get it shipped directly to them. Then they can actually go ahead and create that content. They could post it. And obviously the most important part is you're going to get the traffic from these people being targeted to your demographic. So tons of different testimonials, a lot of great support and stuff like this. See the different integrations. But let me show you the Shopify app. And I mean, it's literally incredibly easy to use. It's free. First of all, it's free to install. So you get this app totally free. You see it's 4.8 out of 5-star review, almost perfect in terms of that. And it's really all about, like I said, integrating the data to find who the right influencers are. And the best part about this is this, once you integrate it into Shopify, obviously it has Shopify data. It's, literally all automatic. You could also import other sources, for example, your social media profiles. If you were to come over here, you can go to data sources and you could upload your email list. You could upload your MailChimp list. You could upload your Klaviyo list. And most importantly, connecting Instagram, Facebook, influencers, right? You could add all of those to this kind of database, or what they call the data sources, and that's going to pull all that out. They also have a huge learning hub over here, so you can really not only understand how to use the tool, but what influencer marketing style and strategy can work for you. So a lot of great content over there, and really take a look again. 4.8 out of 5-star review. It's just working incredibly well. And I'm going to give you a couple examples of how this could work for Shopify store. I already kind of referenced the idea of print on demand. Right? Print on demand would work because it has this setup where the orders are fulfilled through there. But more than just print on demand, what about some niche specific examples? So let's say you're selling a lot of cat products, and everyone on your email list is into cats, and everyone that follows you and you're following on Instagram are into cats, and same thing with Facebook, and all of your data sources. Again, over here are these data sources. They all point to cats, and then Caro finds you influencers of that also reach people who love cats, right? Your target demographic, right? It's a simple, and think about marketing 101, the most simple form of marketing, not influencer marketing, but just marketing, right? You want to match up a product to a passionate customer. And Caro's going to give you the passionate customers. They're going to give you the influencers that want to buy your product, that are passionate about your product, then it's as simple as just showcasing the product. And obviously, that's what influencer marketing is, and that's why this section right here, in terms of having the approved orders, basically the approved fulfillment requests for the influencers to get that merch or the canvas or the pair of shoes or whatever it is you're going to have them promote, it's all automated. So, if let's say it's like I said in that cat example, you just showcase your most popular cat shirt or maybe your highest margin cat product. Okay, this could work with drop shipping as well. Let's say you're doing drop shipping through Shopify or Oberlo, and you have a product. Let's say it's something that is perfect for tennis players, and your entire list is about tennis, and your entire social media is about tennis. And then you get influencers that can reach people who love tennis, and you simply promote your tennis dropshipping product or your tennis ebook or your tennis digital course, whatever it is. Right? Again, Marketing 101 says when you have a product, you want to match it up with a passionate customer, or vice versa. In this case, you're getting those influencers that could reach that passionate customer. Now you just need to show them the product. So you see the link below this video. Make sure you sign up today. I highly recommend it. It's really the easiest way for you to find influencers, but also the easiest way for you to find good influencers. This isn't just a database of, random people who have done 10,000 shout outs or whatever. These are really matched up based on data. And if you know anything about making money online, the data never lies. So definitely check it out. I highly recommend Caro. You see the link directly below this video. Again, I highly recommend to use it myself. Make sure you check it out. It's totally free to install the app over here. You see the link below. Really hope this helps you make some money, and I'll talk to you real soon.